healthy living in our valley. One man's pledged to turn his life around after hitting rock bottom.
%50 off padding.
It's easy to lose hope after hitting rock bottom, but instead of giving up, a local man decided to shape up.
Healthy Living reporter Kate Keller has his story.
After failing to land his dream job after college, Ed Kamara of Youngstown turned to alcohol to deal with his depression, an attempt at escaping reality that resulted in a much-needed wake-up call.
I got a DUI. I just sunk and didn't know what to do. Recent graduate and just had so much to look forward to, and now I'm just, now what?
Ed ended up losing his license for 6 months. Instead of continuing on the same dark path, he decided to take control of his life and his health. With nowhere to go but home or work, he decided to give his friends P90X DVDs a try.
Before I even put that first DVD in, made that promise to myself that I was gonna do it. Stick with it every single day, change my whole diet, eat right, stop drinking, the whole 9 yards.
3 months in, he lost 62 pounds. After another round of P90X, he was down more than 80 pounds. Determined to stick with it, he gave Insanity and P90X2 a try, dropping another 10 pounds, eventually earning himself $500 and the role of coach for Team Beachbody, the company behind the workouts.
I want people to know that rock bottom doesn't have to be the end at all, because some of the biggest failures that you can make or can happen can turn into biggest success.
Since his transformation, Ed has been posting weekly workouts at his home. On Sunday, he's holding the event at B&O Station in Youngstown from noon to 2:30 p.m. There will be a workout and an obstacle course, plus information on the programs he used to lose weight.